Baba.
Jai Baba.
Okay, Baba's here in his pink coat and smiling away and saying, Baba loves you all. And just asking, is there anything you want to ask?
Yes, Baba. Today I was thinking if you could speak about the details about your coming back after 700 years. So basically, if you have precisely said 700 years, not 500 or 1000, there must have been a plan and there must have been something more specific that you already know what you're going to do when you're going to come back. So, in general, there are a lot of questions which could arise around that. One could be, will that be another avataric age and avataric manifestation like the previous ones, like Krishna or Buddha or Jesus or Muhammad, or it'll be different. Then there could be questions like, where will you be born this time? Is it one of these same countries or different countries? And if different, what could be the reason? A third question could be in terms of, the inner circle. So a lot of yeah.
I was saying we will not speak on this.
Okay.
Most certainly, because we don't discuss future. Just as every birth is forgotten,
Right.
we don't carry the sanskaric impressions to be alive and help us lose our mind in the next birth. There is absolutely no need. For me, 700 years is a very long way away, long time away. And anything can happen from now to 700 years. So we cannot determine why, when, where, and how I will come. Maybe I may not just come. I'm saying as of today it is 700 years. I may not just come after 700 years. So we never discuss what going to happen which we have no control on. And even if I know, being the highest of the high, there is no need for me to declare what I am going to do next. Because 700 years from now, every soul present today may have had taken many births, and as per their sanskaric cycle and impressions, it will determine again when, how, where they will be. So this is not, I understand your sentiment of knowing what will happen, something you and I am not wanting to share or put a blueprint or a plan out at all. See, understand, we are not here to know what's going to happen next because it takes away the novelty of existence. There is no prediction that can tell you 100% that this will happen. It's very far and few.
Right.
And there is no need. What is the need to know what is going to happen 700 years from now? We don't know tomorrow morning what is going to happen. So this kind of speculation or asking is not required. For it will be revealed in time.
So maybe you would like to share then, why did you say that you will come after 700 years?
There may be a need for me to come again. We all keep coming back, right? So
Right.
every soul, including me, everybody keeps coming back. But as you progress, you either come with your karmic cycle, or you don't come with a karmic cycle. Now that will determine how much you have moved on your spiritual, how much you have worked towards your own spiritual goal. What is happening is that continuously we are forgetting the purpose for which we exist. And we are continuously, regardless of what you say, tell yourself, each one of you get caught in the circle of illusion. You can snap it in a second if you consciously put your mind to it. But if you don't consciously put your mind to it, then you will never break out from that cycle. And you will only break out from that cycle when you've had a complete understanding of your existence since many births and many births to follow.
Okay. No worries, Baba. I just thought it could have been a
No, it is not required.
Okay, no worries.
There is no need to know, because even if I will reveal and you are no more, how does it help?
You're right.
It is of no consequence.
Correct, you're right.
So you're not going to carry that impression every birth, if there is any, and keep talking about it. Not required.
Correct. We will not exist, and
Absolutely.
who knows what form we'll be
Yeah,
existing
when you
in.
don't exist,
Yeah.
what is the point of knowing?
No, thank you, Baba, for that. I'll change the topic. So I'll have another question which I'll let you know.